It's a goat. How are we going? Just got off the train at Maui because I'm house sitting for my mum this weekend because her and my stepdad are going to Tasmania for a holiday. So I'm going to house sit for them over the weekend. So I just got the train to Maui because my car's out of action. So I sat on the train for a couple of hours, which is fun. I haven't done that trip in a while. And now I'm just waiting to be picked up and then, yeah. Look what I found. For those that don't know, it is a blue bottle and pretty sure they have a poisonous sting.
Acceptance speech and also dedicated the award to someone special. Take a listen.
While I was singing and dancing and playing piano and having one of the best experiences I've ever had on a film, my lady was raising our daughter pregnant with our second.
Alright, but because I'm a good person and you know, it's a creature of the universe, I'm gonna put the blue bottle back, go about its business. There you go. Be free, Mr. Blue Bottle. Rainy old day today. So I was hoping to fly the drone today and get some cool shots of the valley and stuff, but it's pouring with rain. So now I'm gonna feed the animals. So yeah, come along, we'll go feed some goats, shall we? Say hello, Tommy. Whoa. Tommy gets wheat bix. He's meant to have 4 wheat bix, but I gave him 5 because me and Tommy are homeboys. So you know how it is. Eat, my pretty. Feast! Feast! Not good for flying a drone today. That's the goats done. And now it's time to feed some pigs. So come along with Uncle Brennan and we'll go feed some pigs. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Ah, ah. What? What? What are you doing? What? Ah, ah. Check that out. That is for pigs. Carrots, some apples and some barley. What? What? Look, there's some pigs. Come on. What? Yeah, hang on, I'll feed you in a minute. Alright, that's it for the mammals, I should say, the 4-legged mammals. I'll feed the dogs and the cats in a minute, but that's not exciting because they're not cool animals. They're not cool animals, man. So that's it for them. We'll move on to the avian variety of animals now, shall we? Right, got my sunflower seeds. Trick is, always know your product. Yeah, that's a sunflower seed. It's chickens. Farm fresh eggs. Look, talk about bloody free range. Look at that. Alright, so today's the day. On Friday it was raining really bad and it was just really stormy and the weather wasn't good for flying a drone, and yesterday was really super windy. It was like windy all day, like high winds, strong winds all day, so that would have been bad for flying a drone. So today is the day. I'm gonna go fly the drone today. It's a little bit windy, hopefully it's not too bad. But we'll see how we go. Hopefully we get some nice shots of the valley. Maybe not stay out here too long because the wind is picking up a bit, but we have to do it. We have to get a drone shot today. Alright, the drone's in the tree. I need to go and fish it out. The wind's just picking it up. I need to be out in the open to get a shot of the valley, but there's nothing blocking the wind, so it's making it a bit hard. So now I have to go get the drone out of a tree. But I think I may have got one shot before it blew into the tree. Mate, if you're a chicken, how could you... fucking prickle bush. God damn. Now let's see if I can't get this drone out of the tree. Ay, ay, ay. There it is. Oh, okay. The stick's breaking. I think it's tangled in the leaves and stuff, so it's hard to pull out. So I have to go and find a ladder, I think. Go and get the bloody ladder. Alright, ladder in place. Let's see if we can't get this thing down. Alright. Now let's hope I don't fall off because the ground is very uneven. Ooh. I don't like this. I don't like this already. I'm gonna readjust. I just want my drone! Alright, here we go. Yeah. I didn't fall off, or I didn't fall over. I could use the fence to balance, but that was fun. Now I have the drone back. I just threw it over the fence as I was falling off the ladder. One more shot. So got one more shot, and then we'll call it a day. So we've come this far. We have to give it one more shot. Alright, so the memory on the SD card is full. So even if it worked, can't record any of the footage. Next time I come back to my mum's house, hopefully it'll be on a nice still day. There isn't too much wind. The SD card's empty. All the batteries are recharged, and we'll get some nice drone footage. I'm gonna go have a look at it now. Hopefully I'll get a couple of shots out of it. I'll show you now. Brand Vlogs. Brand Vlogs. World. Enjoy life. Enjoy life.